Have you ever wondered how and why your competitor is doing way better than you when it comes to meta ads? Well, this video is to help you how to improve by spying on your competition, excuse me, and getting better results by improving what's being done. So I'm going to look for ads that are revolving around property. So this can be as well as an educative moment for you and practice for me. So I'm going to forget Reddit. I'm going to look for ads just on Facebook alone. You guys get to see my Facebook as a games. More games. Right. This is let's assume this is for tours and travel. But if I don't get the next ad soon for land or property sales, I will go back to that one. Uh, Furniture. It's 5-star development. Okay, let's go with property. This seems like property. So let's look at the page, what they do. So this company sells what? Yeah, there is a property space, 5-star. Right. So what we do, we want to see why they're targeting me, who's the target market. We'll see why am I seeing this ad. So uh, my activity is maybe I interact with this content and furniture. Let's go to the advertiser choices. So the I'm seeing this ad because I am 30 years and I'm older. My primary location is Kenya. I am also seeing this ad because I interacted with ads about furniture, household, essentials, and travel. I interact with posts about education, travel, and coffee. So you can just see what they're looking for: business solutions, travel, Facebook Marketplace. This is what they're looking for. This is a basic way of seeing how your competitor is targeting. But if you want a more in-depth way of looking at what your competitors are doing in your space, we'll go to Ad Library. So here you can get to see a ton, get more in-depth detail. So you will filter by country and you choose all ads. So why this works is number one, this improves transparency. See which advertiser is advertising what in terms of legality or issues. Uh, and then you get to find out information about ads in terms of their content, basic information like when the ad started and which types of ads they're using. In some instances, you can find out more information about targeting, and this is open to anyone. So, like I said, let's look at ads on land, selling pieces of land. Right, so this is not land. Oh, this is a bit not good. So we will choose property. Well, there's also examples of how sometimes it's not the best. So let's look for an ad company first. Are you doing any ads, Mr. Property? No, you're not doing. So check again. Now this guy, he's selling land on Meta Properties. So you get to see this information. So you can go to the page. You should open a new tab. You get to see the property, see the number of likes they have, number of followers, what they post generally. That's just that. But we're looking for ad information. So we know he advertises on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, and Messenger. This is the type of ad is a messenger ad, ad, engagement. Um, there's a many different ones. To view his Instagram page, to view the type of ads he's running. Oh, he has a campaign that leads to his website where you can get information, his landing page. If you want to click it, the, yeah, that's fine. You can find out more information about the company by not through there. Let's see ad details. Then you can learn about the advertiser, the name of the company, uh, followers, the description about this. Let's close that. We can find about the business by going to the about page. This is all about transparency. You find out about followers, when the page was opened or created, who manages and where it's managed. It's managing people in Kenya. So you can find out about all this information. Right. And that is basically how you spy on your competitors and see how why they're successful. And with that, I will say goodbye.